Hey guys, it's Sean here. Just want to give you a little tip. In the background, you see a little nice painting I bought. Anyway, getting over a hug cold, so it's like, So people, they use like video on YouTube, on Facebook. So one thing you want to keep in mind when you do Facebook at all, if you just, you're just sharing general stuff, you're not putting any dollars behind it, you can just clip a YouTube video and upload. However, if you're going to advertise on Facebook, you want to natively upload to Facebook video. They'll reward that over a Google YouTube because they're competitors. So, definitely so always use raw video and upload to raw edited video, obviously, but don't use a YouTube video straight to Facebook. Upload natively if you have time, if you're going to advertise. All right, that's my tip for the day. And let me know which one you guys prefer, Facebook or YouTube, in the comments below. Thanks.